Auto Body Repair Shops. Hutto, Texas, local collision repairs. Are you trying to find the very best vehicle body repair shop in Hutto, Texas? Having an accident or collision is a very stressful experience. However, one can quickly get the damaged car back in a good condition if you discover a great vehicle service center to repair the damage to your vehicle. Try to find someone who can provide you a total variety of services. One of the primarily extensively used ways of discovering a dependable car and truck crash repair shop is word-of-mouth suggestions. You will find a number of service centers that claim to offer the very best services. Nevertheless, it is best to shortlist those repairers whom any of your friends, household or associates have tried. Their individual experience with a repairer can assist you to a terrific level in making a right choice. Your insurance provider is likely to know people who can assist you with expense estimates. In fact, it might even have a team of professionals designated to offer crash repair work estimates. Aside from giving quotes after assessing the condition of your car, your insurance company may offer you with a list of authorized crash repair shops where you can go and take advantage of your automobile insurance. To get a much better or more affordable quote, make certain to abide by the business requirements. Contact our effective and expert group to discover more about our different services to satisfy your auto body shop requirements. Our expert mechanics have tons of experience, which guarantees you'll get the best crash repair work service. We're waiting to hear from you and to address any questions you might have on how we can best serve your auto body requirements. Contact us now and let us show you the many alternatives we have to fix your ride and get you back in your car or truck once again. See below for additional information.